Good morning, all of you. In yesterday's lecture, we discussed about the basics of topic relations. In that, we discussed about what thing? Definition of relation, then domain, then about codomain, and also about range, also difference between them. Okay, these topics are necessary to be memorized, okay, because they are generally confusing. Also, yesterday we solved examples of exercise 2.2. So today we are going to solve this exercise. Okay. So our first question is of exercise 2.2, question number 1. Let A is the set given to us 1, 2, 3 till 14. Okay. Define a relation R from A to A by. So they are given us a relation in set builder form, that is 3x minus y should be equal to 0. Okay, x and y must belong to A. Okay, so means from 3x minus y equal to 0, what do we get? That y will be equal to 3x, and here we will put our values of x, and by putting the values of x we will find the value of y. Okay, when x is 1, y is equal to 3, x is equal to 2, y equal to 6, x equal to 3, y equal to 9, x equal to 4, y equal to 12, x equal to 5, y equal to 15. But 15 is not part of A, so we will neglect it from the relation. So we are getting 4 elements in our relation R, that are 1, 3, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 12. Why we cannot use this? Because x is part of A, that means x belongs to A here, but y does not belong to A. But what they are asking that x and y both must belong to A. So it is our relation. Okay. Now from this you can find domain, codomain and range. Domain is what? Domain is complete set A. Codomain is also complete set A. But range is only 4 elements, that is 3, 6, 9 and 12. Okay. Now second question. Similarly, in second question, a relation R is given to you, okay, and a set is given. Depict relationship using roster form. Similarly, you have to make the roster form and write down domain and range. Okay. Now question number 3. In question number 3, they are given to us 2 sets. One is A, that is 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, and B is what? 4, 6, 9. Now relation are they given to us? X, Y. The difference between X and Y is odd. Okay, X must lie in A and Y must be from B. Okay, now similarly we have to write R in roster form. Okay, so how will we get difference between two numbers as odd? We will get that when we will subtract even from odd, we will get odd, and odd even from odd, then we will get odd, and odd from even, then also we will get odd. Okay, so we will make their pairs such that, now first of all we will take first element of this and then with this. So 1 minus 4 is equal to minus 3. It is correct. 1 minus 6 is equal to minus 5. It is also correct. But 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. It is not odd. So we got two elements from here. Similarly we will do with 2, then with 3, and then with 5. And at last then we will get our result of R. That will be what? 1 4, 1 5, sorry 1 6, then 2 9, and then what is that? Then we get 3 4, 3 6, and then 5 4, 5 6. So these are that are, and in this you have to not tell about range and domain, just it's your answer. Okay, now in question number 4 you have to yourself make the relation. Okay, they have given arrow diagrams, and using that arrow diagrams you will make any relation on your own. Okay, so first of all you can construct that. It is our question number 4. What they have given to us? They have given to us set P and set Q. In set P they have given to us elements 5, 6 and 7, and in set Q 3, 4, 5, and its relation is with this. Its relation is with this. Now how you can form this? This we can form as P minus Q is equal to 2. Okay, so what will be our relation? Our relation will be R x y, so that x minus y is equal to 2, where x belongs to P and y belongs to Q. It is the relation. Okay, it is our set builder form, and in roster form we can write. How we write in roster form? It will be 5 3, 6 4, 7 5. It is a roster form. And now we can write domain and range using this. Our domain will be this 5 6 and 7, and our range will be 3 4 and 5. Okay, similarly Question number 5, you can solve on your own. This is the question. If you still have any problem, then we can discuss later. Okay. Question number 6 is, determine the domain and range of the relation R. Okay, so in question number 6 also, they have given us a relation x plus 5 such that x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So we can suppose that this is any set given to us and x value must lie from that set. Okay. So this value we will get from set. This value we will find. Okay. Suppose this is A and this is B. Okay. When A is equal to 0, when this is 0, then B is equal to x plus 5, or we can say that A or x, both we can say that. Okay, when A or x value is 0, then B value will be x plus 5. We will put the value of x as 0, 0 plus 5, that is 5. That means x is 0, when A is 0, B is 5. Similarly, when x is equal to 1, x or A, then B is equal to what? 1 plus 5, that is 6. X is equal to 2, B is equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7. When x is equal to 3, B is 8. When x is equal to 4, B is equal to 9. X is equal to 5, B is equal to 10. So this will be our relation. This will be what? 0, 5, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8, 4, 9 and last is 5, 10. So it is our relation that we got from this. Okay. Easy questions. You must have no problem in them. Okay, if you still have, then you may ask. So question number 7. Write the relation R in roster form. In 7th, relation is given to us that R is equal to x cube, where x is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 10. Okay. So first of all, what is our work? That first of all we will find what prime numbers are less than 10. So x value will be what? Either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, because these are the prime numbers that are less than 10. So we will find the value of x cube. When x is equal to 0, 2, x cube is equal to 8, x is equal to 3, x cube is equal to 27, x is equal to 5, x cube is equal to 125, and x is equal to 7, x cube is equal to 343. Just now we have to write this in roster form. That will be what? 2, 8, 3, 27, 5, 125, and 7, 343. It is our relation R. Is it okay? Now let A is equal to this. 8th question is, in this we are given two sets, A with elements x, y, z and B with relations with elements 1 and 2, and they are asking how many number of relations can we form. So what was the formula? That was First of all, what is n of a? N of a is 3, n of b is 2, and n of a into b will be what? This into this, that means 6. So therefore total relations will be what? Total relations will be 2 raised to power 6. And what is the value of 2 raised to the power 6? It is 64. So there are total 64 relations that can be found between a and b. Okay, it was easy question. And the last question of this exercise, in which a relation R is given to us, AB, where A and B both belong to integers and A minus B is also integer. Okay. So in this view tells us the domain and range of R. So first of all we can make the arrow diagram. Okay, it is our Z. It is also Z. From here we will get the value of A and here B. So 0 will be in center of both, -1, -2 till minus infinity, -1, -2, sorry, +1, +2, 3 till infinity. Similarly here -1, -2 till minus infinity, and 1, 2 till infinity. Okay, now A minus B must also be integer. So we can take either of the values. Now we will get relation of 0 with this, with this, with this, this, every number. Similarly for 1, for 2, for 3, because if we subtract integer from integer, we will get integer. Okay, these two are integers. It is a general property that we have studied in earlier classes, that we say closure property over integers. Okay, that means whenever we will subtract one integer from another, then we will get our answer as integer only. So that means what? Whatever is the value of x, whatever is the value of y, b, whatever for a and b, we will get some integer only. It can be any. So our domain will be what? Domain will be z, because we can take any value of z, any integer we can take. Similarly our range will be what? Our range will be also be z. Why is that? Because for different integers subtracted from one integer, we will get different integers. You can take any example, then you will get that our answer can be any of the integers. So it is the complete set z. So your exercise is completed here. Next is the about functions, the last topic of this chapter. So you have to study about them, and also some functions and their graphs are given. 6 to 7 graphs are there with their definition. Try to understand them. Tomorrow we will study that in our class. And your homework is to solve this exercise in rough notebook and complete your notebook till exercise 2.1. Okay, thank you.